Neat and clean home is a blessing, especially when you're coming back after a tiring day. But keeping it clean all the time is a challenge. So if you're looking for an experienced and trustworthy cleaning service in the Omaha metro area, then look no further. Triple J Cleaning of Omaha is exactly what you're looking for. Whether you're a realtor looking for a lease clean or just want your place to look amazing, we will provide you high-quality, eco-friendly, detailed cleaning service. Our services include commercial cleaning, residential cleaning, carpet cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, foreclosure or short sale cleaning, lawn services, and more. We take pride in cleaning details, no matter how much dust the contractors bring. We will get into the toughest areas of your place to provide you and your family a healthy, neat, and clean environment. Triple J Cleaning of Omaha offers long and short-term cleaning service that includes hourly, daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or one-time detailed cleaning service. With our 20-plus years of extensive experience in the field, we thoroughly know how to get the job done, right as per your expectation. Our goal is to provide you a dirt and germ-free, neat and clean environment. This is the reason why our customers recommend us to their friends and family. So just relax and take some time out with your loved ones while we prepare to deliver you the breeze of freshness you deserve. Call now at 402-7069-502 and get your place a detailed cleaning service you deserve. Triple J Cleaning of Omaha, a service you can trust.